Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can connect a Cloudflare account to your existing website. I will going to explain one example. I'm going to click this airnews.in website. See, here it is. I already added the website, a blog website, airnews.in, and it is still active. I'm going to show you what are the features including in Cloudflare account. See, you can also check the number of visitors visiting your site, and total request cache, and the total data server, and you can see that here is 1 day and 7 days, and you can check up to 30 days. 3.2k visitors visited my site, and so you can monitor your website using the Cloudflare account. And also you can get a free SSL certificate. Here you can see that your SSL certificate is mode is flexible, and some of the settings are enabled. You can click the edge certificate, and I already uploaded one certificate here. You can see airnews.in as it is activated. If you want to buy a certificate, it will cost you around $10, but here it is. Cloudflare account provides you with a free account. You don't need to buy anything. After that, you can check a firewall access and speed of your website also. I'm going to show you what is my website speed, and click test again. It is starting. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you this. Oh, this is my website. You can see that here the connection is secure. That means your site is secure by the Cloudflare account. You don't need to worry about the unnecessary attacks, and examples of the password, credit card, and private information on this site is very secure right now. Okay, and coming to the site, see, you can measure your website speed. If you type your any website, the site is loading, right? But what is the time, you don't know, right? We can check here what is the estimation of time for loading your website. Okay, and you can check the critical errors also. Okay, meanwhile, here it is. I'm one more example, xcstyle.com. You can check your connection to this site is not secure. That means this site doesn't have the SSL certificate and another protection from the other site. Okay, we need to check this site. Okay, you can see that I will tell you that later. You see, this is the website, and scroll down here. So without Cloudflare account and with Cloudflare account, okay, compared to here, uh, 6 seconds, it takes 6 seconds to load my website compared to previously 6.6 seconds taken for loading website. Okay, this is the advantage, and you can purchase for a more optimization. You can go for if you want, but if you are that beginner level, you don't need to worry about that. Cloudflare is a free website, free site that provides services for free. Who are there at the beginning side, and you can see that I'm already xstyle.com. You know, okay, I'm going to remove from the site. I'm going to tell you how you can add a website to the Cloudflare step by step. First, I need to remove from this site. You see, you can also remove the added site from this by scrolling down here. That's it. It is going to main site, and I'm going to type my style.com add site. After that you can see there are four plans: pro, business, enterprises, and a free account. I'm going to select a free account. You can check here: DDoS attacks and global content delivery network, support via mail, and it is a personal and hobby projects. Okay, if you want to go for business, you can upgrade the account. And first it is checking for the DNS records available on your website. And meanwhile I'm going to go for the my site is my website provider is godaddy.com. And and scroll down this, see, this is the xstyle.com website. I'm going to manage DNS. Click this. Okay, and here it is. You can just click and continue. Okay, review settings, and get started. Here it is automatically HTTPS reviews. Okay, don't worry, save this. And if your site are using HTTP, and it will already settings will apply for the converted to the HTTP settings. No, the zone varies from other countries to country. Okay, and here it is auto minified. That means you don't need to any worry for that JavaScript, CSS, HTML on your website. It will be auto minify. It's a wonderful feature. Speed of your page load times. Okay, it is also previously I told you about the loading of the website, right? I saved 6 seconds for loading site. Okay, using the Cloudflare account, I'm going to save this and finish account. That's it. And go to home page. Here xstyle.com. What I'm going to tell you here, you need to DNS settings, right? One more thing, and here it is, the name servers. Cloudflare name servers are unique. You need to copy this and place it the website where this is my GoDaddy account, xstyle.com. I purchased from this GoDaddy.com, and you click here nameserver.com. Name servers, okay, name server settings, and coming onto, I'm going actually the defaultly GoDaddy servers are included, but I'm going to change this. And okay, I'm going to one more time this. Okay, and copy this record and paste it here, and one more name server, and type it here. That's it. Save. Yes, click yes. That's it. Continue. It takes 24 hours for updating name servers. You don't need to worry here. The actual website you brought from godaddy.com is still remaining here. What you need change right here is name servers. I mean, what I'm saying is, in order to access your site permission for Cloudflare, you need to add the name servers to your website DNS record in the name servers session. Okay, that's it. And after that, okay, and coming to the Cloudflare account, you can see here xstyle.com is active. That means your site is securing. Okay, I'm going to click here, and that's great. Cloudflare is now protecting your site. Analytics, click here. You can check here already web traffic, what are the web traffic requests and the unique visitors. Okay, So you can hear URL map and which region users are also you can monitor here. Based on that, you can upload content to your website based on the region. Okay, that's way you can get more visitors like this. Okay, these are the many features. If you want more, if you want the add features apps, you can also here they have many features. I didn't go for apps because I don't know how to add, but I will update any other video if I have the free time. Okay, that's interesting. There are many features, but I need to research more. Okay. Okay, this is where you need to create an account. Okay, create a free account with the Gmail with the cloudflare.com, and you can add a site and update your name server to your existing site, and that way you can add your website Cloudflare account. It takes 24 hours for updating Cloudflare account. After that, you will get a email confirmation from the Cloudflare about the activation, and you can after you can. Freely install the SSL certificate automatically install, though you don't need to worry. Here this kind of check, right, certificate valid. See the certificate already Cloudflare. See Cloudflare SSL certificate. Yeah, certificate. So okay, that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you liked my video, please subscribe and like my video. Thanks for watching.